If you've ever Googled, how do I check my website SEO and ended up overwhelmed, this is for you. Here's the exact 7-step process I use inside real small business SEO audits. Search visibility. Google your business name. Are you in the top 3? If not, that's a quick signal your metadata needs a refresh. Website structure. Check your homepage title, description, and headers. If they don't explain what you do, Google won't know either. Keywords. Look at the phrases you should be ranking for. I always check 10 core keywords: service keywords, content keywords, and your brand name. Local SEO. Add your city or region in a few strategic places. Plumber Halifax beats plumber every time. Step 5. Backlinks. Think of them as online word of mouth. Clean up spammy links and look for local partnerships to build authority. Content clarity. Make sure your content solves an actual customer problem and ends with a clear next step. Track improvements. Use Google Search Console or Mangools to check keyword movement and celebrate small wins each month. If all this feels like a lot, that's normal. Small business SEO is complex, but it becomes simple with the right roadmap. If you want a full personalized audit written in friendly human language, you can grab one at creativesparrow.digital.